You are kind, you are more than this.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Guys, you people cannot believe this is how I'll be making use of my kitchen, guys. Since all this while, since January, almost 5 months now, this is what is in my kitchen. This gas and the standing fridge and the deep fridge, guys. What happened was that when we are planning to come to Nigeria after this project was done, I told them that they should not do my cabinet on my kitchen, that if I come back I will do the one that I will tell the person that I want to do it the taste that I want. Now when we came back to Nigeria, that was when there was no money on hand that they want to change money then. We do transfer to this man the capital to come and do my kitchen. Guys, since then this man have not come and do my kitchen. He will say today I'm coming, tomorrow I'm coming. Guys, this is how I've been managing. It's only this deep fridge and this gas and the standing fridge have been on my kitchen that I've been making use all this while, guys. This is how I've been managing it. Even though my kitchen is not what I want. When they were building this house, I told the engineer that I want my kitchen to be very big. At the end of the day, my kitchen was not big. All my mind was like 2 of this size. That is what I want in my kitchen. But at the end, when I came back to Nigeria, this is what I saw. The second flat, like the second house, the kitchen that is on it is very big. Why this is the main house that we want to make use. There's no how I will not be cooking the second house kitchen. I will not be coming here. Is it possible? House that is not a commercial house. I told her that I need a big kitchen. It's not like maybe tomorrow I'm living here. At the end of the day, it's not that the capital they are just doing my kitchen. Guys, this is how I've been managing all this while. This is how I've been managing. Guys, I can't wait for this kitchen to be done so that I can all my loads like this, everything they are in the package store. And if I want to cook, I'll just go and taste something. This is how I've been managing all this while, guys. I just pray at the end of the day that this kitchen will be done so that I can continue making use of my kitchen very well. Good evening, depending where you are watching me from. It's your baby girl, Glorious Reality family. Guys, I'm so happy today that finally that my kitchen cabinet has been done. It has not been easy for me since all this month. When I relocate back to Nigeria, before then, when they were building this house, I told them that please, you people should not do anything in my kitchen. If I come back, I want to do the taste of my cabinet. Fine, when I relocate back to Nigeria, I found out that my kitchen was very small. I was not even happy about it, but what can I do? The house has been built. And again, we called the capital to come and measure the kitchen. And I told him what I want. Guys, it was story upon story. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, my kitchen was not ready. This man would just be saying story upon story. He's not around. He went to work, he did this. And it has not been easy for me to be cooking in my kitchen. Just only gas cooker that has been on my kitchen for all this month. It was not easy, but finally that my kitchen cabinet has been done. When my kitchen was empty, I make before. So I want to show you people now after how my kitchen cabinet look like, guy. I'm so happy now that yes, I can be comfortable now to cook in my kitchen. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, if you come like this, this is my bucket for dirty. Yeah, if you come like this, yeah, this is where wash basin is. Before there was no cabinet here. It was this wash basin. Nothing was here, no marble before. But now, yes, the marble has been fixed. And if you come like this, I have another marble here. Yeah, this is where my plate rag is. Yeah, this is where my plate rag is. Come like this, go down. Yeah, and from here like this, I have another cabinet. I have another cabinet here. 5 set of cabinet here for up here. Yeah, if you come like this, yeah, this is where my gas is, my gas cooker. Yes, this is where it is. Yes. And if you come like this, I have another cabinet here. This is another cabinet here. Yeah. And from here, this is another road here. Come like this, guys. I have another cabinet here. This one is made with grass. This is my standing fridge. Yeah, from here, this door that lead to my pantry. Yes, this door that lead to my package store. Yeah, from here like this, guy, I have another cabinet for up here. Yeah, it's another cabinet here. From here, I have my deep freezer here. Yeah, this is my deep freezer. And from here, guys, I have another cabinet here. Yes, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, from here like you come here, this is another door that you can still come out from. Yeah, guys, this is how my kitchen is look like. I do. I can't change it.
Baby, I go take care of you personally. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? All your problems, I know, say solution ahead. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yeah. Mama born you, your mama born you well, and you're beautiful too. I want to hold you, girl. I love you, girl. I wanna love you well. Yeah. Know you fell in love, but nobody caught you. And I got your body, oh. My baby, see, got me hot down, oh. Your body, oh. Now you will go chop on my money, oh. I like your body, oh. My baby, see, got me hot, oh. Your body, oh. Now you will go chop on my money, oh.
Our mama is ready. Yeah, this is
Baby,
my
I
mama.
go stick
Let's
with
make
you
custard and
like
let's
bamboo.
eat. Yes.